English for Religion, LUQMAN 12 to 19. Indeed, we blessed LUQMAN with wisdom, saying, "Be grateful to Allah, for whoever is grateful, it is only for their own good. And whoever is ungrateful, then surely Allah is self-sufficient, praiseworthy." And remember when LUQMAN said to his son, while advising him, "O my dear son, never associate anything with Allah in worship, for associating others with Him is truly the worst of all wrongs. And we have commanded people to honor their parents. Their mothers bore them through hardship upon hardship, and their winning takes 2 years. So be grateful to me and your parents. To me is the final return. But if they pressure you to associate with me what you have no knowledge of, do not obey them. Still keep their company in this world courteously, and follow the way of those who turn to me in devotion. Then to me you will all return, and then I will inform you of what you used to do." LUQMAN added, "O my dear son, even if a deed were the weight of a mustard seed, be it hidden in a rock or in the heavens or the earth, Allah will bring it forth. Surely Allah is most subtle, all aware. O my dear son, establish prayer, encourage what is good and forbid what is evil, and endure patiently whatever befalls you. Surely this is a resolve to aspire to. And do not turn your noses up to people, nor walk pridefully upon the earth. Surely Allah does not like whoever is arrogant, boastful. Be moderate in your pace, and lower your voice, for the ugliest of all voices is certainly the braying of donkeys."